Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. QNT is finally following through to the downside. It's going through the structural support area finally, or at least trying to. We are still, as you might know if you've been following the last few videos, we're still watching for lower prices on the QNT chart. We have been for a long time now. And I still would like to see price get to the $80 level, or at least make one more low to complete this fifth wave of a C wave, yeah? So, okay, it doesn't need to get to 80. It's just that this is the next Fibonacci retracement, and we should really get another low. And the $80 level, there is a confluence of, I mean, it could just be just above that level, right? It doesn't need to be 80, 81, 82, 83. But key is to get close to that level with another low. And we are still spending some time here in this structural support area. But, you know, we've been talking for a month about lower prices because so far all of these rallies that have happened, they have just been corrective. They have just been, into resistances. And here, most recently, we had another resistance area or short area of this wave 4 for potentially a wave 5 to the downside. We identified, in addition to the structural support area here between 95 and $102, that prices started to make lower lows and lower highs in this descending wedge, or let's call it a price channel. So what I'm watching for is another low, obviously, yeah. And ideally it goes below the structural support of $95. It did that here. That was the 17th of August. You know, at the time we had that liquidation event, but QNT wasn't really affected, which is very, very strange. Now, I still don't like the chart, even though it did hold really well. I don't like the chart so much because this just seems not natural behavior. It is very, very strange what it's doing. But anyway, it seems to be following through now and following our primary scenario. And if it comes down and makes another low, it could just hit the trend line here. I would pay attention to the trend line. It's a trend line that is fairly well defined. We have 3 touch points. And if it makes another low today, tomorrow, it has a good chance to get to $90 next. So we're getting, in slow motion, closer and closer to our support level that we wanted to get to our target. Okay, I'm not saying we have to get there, but one more low would still be the primary scenario. Then, however, I have to say that with this low, in this fifth wave, we have enough waves in place to complete this entire correction, finally. And that it was hopefully worth waiting for it. Now let's establish a few more Fibonacci extension levels and try to figure out where we could be heading. So we take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B, and you can see what I highlighted, the 1-to-1 ratio is a key level to watch. That is at $82, so very close to that $80, 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Another level to watch is if we take the length of the third wave here in this diagonal and we go to the high of the fourth, then also the 1-to-1 ratio points to $80. So that's just a key level to watch. And it seems like we're finally coming down lower. But it's, you know, it still needs to get that sustained break below 95 to finally get a bit of a flush, hopefully, finally, yeah. So yeah, not much more to add. So that correction is still ongoing. First signal, yeah, that a lasting low has been made would be obviously a 5-wave move to the upside above resistance. That would be, first of all, key resistance is at $112 here, the 78.6 Fib level. But better would be a break above the $120 structural resistance range here. You can see that actually highlighted on the chart. So yeah, very interesting developments, finally below $97, but it really takes time and is in slow motion. And I wouldn't be surprised to, you know, to see this play out over the coming weeks, right? Unfortunately. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. If I see a first impulse that would indicate that a low is in place, I will let you know. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. There's additional content every single day. And also, if you're interested in the membership, here you can find access to, you get access to a weekly live stream. Every Sunday we do an educational live stream. and cover some requests, of channel members, then you can access our Telegram and Discord live chat rooms. Plus, we offer a lot of educational material in general about trading, TA, Elliott Wave, and as a gold member, you get access to additional market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.